Hello, my name is Martin Moore, and in today's trick tutorial we will look at moving from doing 5 balls into doing 7 balls. Welcome to today's trick tutorial. Here is a little idea for people who can already juggle 5 balls and who would like to start thinking about learning to do 7 balls. In your normal 5-ball juggling practice, you've probably been starting with 3 balls in one hand and 2 balls in the other hand. Here's a suggestion. Try starting with 4 balls in one hand and 1 ball in the other hand. It's going to look like this. The reason we're starting with 4 balls in one hand is because that's what we will have to do when we're learning 7 balls. On a similar note, practice starting with 3 in your weaker hand, because that's also going to be necessary when you get round to doing 7 balls. So that's my idea. An easy exercise to add to your normal 5-ball training routine. 4 balls in one hand, 1 ball in the other hand. Good luck with that. I hope it works out. I hope it helps you progress from 5 balls to 7 balls as quickly as possible. If you've enjoyed this, please leave me a comment, hit subscribe, come back and watch some more videos. My name's Martin Moore. Good luck and good juggling.